In this video, I'll show you how to use Make.com to connect Airtable. First, open Make.com on your computer and log into your account. Next, go to the dashboard and click on Create a new scenario. Now click the plus button to add your first module and search for Airtable. Select Airtable and choose a trigger like Watch Records or Watch New Records depending on what you want to automate. After that, click Add Connection and sign into your Airtable account. You will need to allow permissions so Make.com can access your bases and tables. Next, choose the base and table you want to connect. This is where your data will come from, so make sure you select the correct workspace and table. Now add the next module in your scenario. This is where you decide what happens after Airtable sends data. You can send it to email, Google Sheets, or other apps depending on your workflow. After that, test your scenario by running it once. Check if the data is being pulled correctly from Airtable into Make.com without errors. Finally, turn on your scenario so it runs automatically whenever new records are added or updated in your Airtable base. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Make.com to connect Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.